let's go. Start the recording, Alfie, and tell me when you started.
I just have.
Okay. Hi guys! Welcome back to another video! Wow! Get the fuck out of my house!
What the hell is this gonna be?
Listen. I will ask you once. Get the fuck off my property. Now. Get the fuck off my property. No, stop. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me, help me.
I'm building.
Get off my land. I'm gonna hit you with this truck. Are you fucking serious?
I can.
Oh no! Give me that back. That's mine.
I could just
give me that back. That's.
I can just gain content by just being AFK, to be honest.
That's my name tag. I think. Okay. Go and get it. Go and get it.
That was a bit risky. I just did a risky move by jumping up a ledge, which I could have done a very well big death. Oh yeah, if you look at the floating island, you'll see what I'm trying to do.
Who just shit themselves on mic? I just heard that.
How the... Huh? And who are you talking to? Nope.
No. Okay, can I ask you one question? Who... Oh, E2, why did you have my flint and steel? Oh. Let me double check real quick.
Just a quick thing, there is a creeper under the floating island, if someone would be kind enough to deal with that. Oh yeah, who's noticed what I'm doing on the floating island?
Not me, because...
If you look at it, you'll see.
Go outside, you fat Discord mod. I mean... Who the hell is Shane? Shane Dawson, the guy that fucked his cat? Like who?
I may have to put a restriction on this.
No, I can censor it for you. You can send
No,
it to me on
no,
email, and I
glitchy,
can.
glitchy. My sensing is just putting is not made for kids.
No, I can censor. I can edit the video. What? I can edit the video.
No, it'll be fine. Why?
Wait, so can you post? Oh wait, so can you, if you age restrict a video that has porn in it, can it get it across the algorithm?
We have an issue. I've only got 6 blocks of purple concrete left.
I know how to make money. I have an idea.
I did hear an explosion, so I'm gonna say no. Can I ladder clutch? Can I ladder clutch? Is that possible? No, I did. I placed it. I didn't land on it. I was
Try
close.
to lava bucket clutch.
Why would I lava bucket clutch? It sets you on fire!
No. No.
I placed 2 ladders. Are you hostile? Yes you are. I'm trying to eat my sandwich. Go away. Go away, I'm trying to eat my sandwich. Oh, you just lose interest in me. The spider heard me and decided not to attack me.
I heard something about sandwich. Now I'm coming over.
Oh no. Oh no. Hang on a minute. Guys, there's iron. There's iron on the underside of the island. Why did I just hear but?
Hello.
Hello.
Get the fuck away from me. Stop looking intimidating. Ow. Stop looking intimidating. Don't you dare hit your axe, you bitch. Enchantment table tower. Oh my god.
What?
Enchanting tower. It looks like
look
shite.
I said it's not done yet. It's not done. I still need to make a tower.
Still looks like shite.
I'm not free.
No!
Don't expect it to
No!
look.
Stop!
I will say, don't expect it to look too good because I've not freestyled on a floating island before yet. I've freestyled on everything else.
Yeah. Yeah, let's talk about the kids and let's talk about the kids in your basement.
Oh god.
E2, let's talk about the kids in your basement.
I just hope everyone understands that this is a joke.
It is a joke. I legally have to disclaim that this is a joke.
I got beef. Oh, wait. a sword. Ah.
Who followed you?
Who's that?
It's Mr. Wilson, the dude that slept with the apple bottom G girl. It's Mr. Wilson.
I'm not gonna ask why. I'm just not gonna ask why.
Why, E2? Why did they call him that?
Okay, on that note, I'm gonna end it here.